Bah. Animals. Meow. Hmm. Oh, wow. Hi, friends. I didn't even see you there. How are you? My name is Mrs. Sandy. Friend, can you guess what we're going to learn today? Today, we're going to learn all the different type of animals. Animals, Zannimo, or bet. Animals, Zannimo, or bet. And we're going to learn all the different sounds that the animals make. Do you know some animals? Let me think. What about a cow? Beth? Cow. We're going to learn what sound does a cow make? Qui sont Beth la fait? Cow, Beth. Cow, Beth. We're going to learn about chicken, poule. We're going to learn about dogs, chien, all those different animals. Are you ready, friends? Are you ready to learn all the different animal names and their sounds? Let's go, friends. Let's go learn. Bye now. See you soon.
Our first animal is a horse. Horse, cheval. Look at the beautiful horses. Horse, cheval. The horses are eating grass. Y'a manger zeb. We have cows. Cows, beef. Beef, cow. The cows are eating grass. Befio a manger zeb. Cow. Do you know what sound the cow make? Now we have goat. Goat, cabrit. Cabrit, bah. The cabrit, goat. Goat. The goat sounds so cute. Goat, cabrit. Now we have a donkey. Donkey, bourrique. Bourrique, donkey. Donkey, bourrique. Cochon. Cochon, pig. Pig. Oh, look at the beautiful piglets. Cochon, petit cochon. Piglets, petit cochon. Piglets, petit cochon. Cochon. Now we have sheep. Sheep, mouton. Mouton, mouton. Look at the beautiful sheep. They sound so cute. Sheep, mouton, mouton. Now we have a dog. I love dogs. Dogs, dogs, chien, chien. The dog is barking. Chien, dogs, dogs, chien. Now we have a cat. Cat, chat, chat. Oh, she's so cute. Look at the cat. Gade chat là. Look at the cat. Gade chat là. Chat, cat. Now we have ducks. Ducks, kana. Kana, duck. Kana, duck. Oh, the ducks are so cute. Now we have chicken. Chicken, poule. Poule, chicken. Chicken, poule. Poule. Those were the animals. I hope you enjoyed this video, friend. Have a good one. Until next time. Bye.
Hi, friend. It is me again. Allô, Zavi. C'est moi-même encore. I hope you enjoyed the video for today. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, okay? Tell your friends you're learning the Haitian Creole language. All right, my friend. Bye now. Have a good one.